Hello guys, so it's our day 2 at the Make-A-Thon competition, and today it was a very important day for us. Today we were able to build a working prototype of a functional and a cosmetic can and test it with our Nibno Dhananjali. And seeing her using it for the first time and writing her first letters with it, and then onwards doing various other tasks with it, filled our eyes with tears of joy. It was a very emotional and a powerful moment. So I invite you guys to watch this video till the end